Hi, for today we are going to continue with our editing and revising, but today you are going to choose either your Anzac Day information report or your rock one. And we're really going to focus on doing some really good editing and revising, and our focus is on creating compound sentences as well. So we are learning to edit and revise our writing and create compound sentences. What I'm looking for is that you can fix up your spelling errors, capital letter and punctuation. You can add extra information, and you can join simple sentences together to create compound sentences. So let's have a little bit of a chat about what a simple sentence is. So a simple sentence is a group of words that expresses one complete thought. Every simple sentence must contain a subject and a verb. So in the sentence, Tim likes ice cream, the verb is ice cream and the subject is Tim. And in the sentence, Emma likes yogurt, yogurt is the verb and Emma is the subject. So you might have two simple sentences. Tim likes ice cream, Emma likes yogurt. And we can join them together by using a conjunction. Those are the words like and, for, no, and, for, so, but, yet, that join the sentences together. And when we link them, they form a compound sentence. So we can say Tim likes ice cream and Emma likes yogurt. But they're not the only that's not the only conjunction we could use. We could use Tim likes ice cream, but Emma likes yogurt. If we have a look at these two simple sentences here, rocks can change, heat pressure causes change. What conjunction could go in the middle? Rocks can change and heat pressure and pressure can cause change. Or for could work there as well. Rocks can change, for heat and pressure causes change. This is another example. Shale is usually grey. Simple sentence. It may be red, brown or green. What conjunction could fit there? We could put but there. Shale is usually grey, but it may be red, brown or green. Or we could use and. Shale is usually grey and it may be red, brown or green. So sometimes different conjunctions will fit into one sentence correctly. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at where I can change my simple sentences into compound sentences. All right, so I have written a paragraph about metamorphic rocks and how they're formed, but I've purposefully made mistakes and I've purposely written simple sentences so I can show you what it's like to join them together. So rocks can change. Really simple sentence. Metamorphic rocks are made from other types of rocks. So I can add a conjunction here to join the two simple sentences together. Rocks can change and metamorphic rocks are made from other types of rocks. So we'll take away the full stop, add in and. A rock changes if it gets hot. They change if they are squeezed very hard. When a rock is heated or squeezed, it changes the minerals inside and becomes a metamorphic rock. You can see that I've already used a conjunction to join two ideas together. Often the rocks that are near magma get hot and change into a metamorphic rock. One way rocks are squeezed is because of the movement in the Earth's crust. The crust is made up of many plates that slowly move on Earth's surface. I'm going to join these two sentences together. The crust is made of many plates that slowly move on Earth's surface. And this pressure causes rocks to change into metamorphic rocks. So it's not too hard to see how you can join your sentences together. Most of the time it will be and that you use. Sometimes it might be because. That's one of your focuses. So we've done that, compound sentences, tick. And on one of the slides, you'll see a checklist that you're going to use as well. But now let's really do some good editing and fix up our capitals, punctuation, and our spelling. So I'm just going to focus on my capital letters. As I was reading, I noticed that there was some where I've written metamorphic that was not in capital. It's important that the type of rock is in capital. And same with earth, because they are proper nouns. And I also forgot a capital letter at the start of my sentence. Where was that? Here, when. All right, capitals are done. Punctuation. I think I've gotten all my full stops, but I reckon there's a comma that I could add in. Often the rocks that are near magma get hot and change into a metamorphic rock. One way rocks are squeezed. One way rocks are squeezed is because of the movement in the Earth's crust. The crust is made of many plates of swelling. Oh, here it is. When a rock is heated or squeezed, I don't necessarily need a comma, but I'm going to put one there because I feel like it needs a pause. When a rock is heated or squeezed, it changes the minerals inside. Now I'm going to check my spelling. Rock changes if it gets hot. They change if they are squeezed. I've used the wrong spelling choice. Squeezed, very hard. When a rock is heated or squeezed, it changes the minerals. Inside and becomes a metamorphic rock. Often the rocks that are near magma get hot and change into a metamorphic rock. One way rocks are squeezed is because of the movement. Now this is our suffix focus from last week. I didn't need to drop the E. Movement in the Earth's crust. Oops, punctuation. I forgot an apostrophe for ownership. The Earth owns the crust. The crust is made of many plates that slowly move on Earth's surface. This pressure. It sounds like a sh as in shark, but it's double S. Causes rocks to change to metamorphic rocks. So I've checked my spelling and I've got my subheading up the top, but what I didn't fix up is this needs to be in capital letters because it is my subheading. So your task today is to choose either your Anzac Day or your rock information report. You're going to edit and revise your whole text in preparation to publish. We're going to publish tomorrow, and I'm going to talk more about that in the video tomorrow. But instead of uploading to your Class Dojo, which we've been doing for writing, we want you to upload it to your OneNote today. And that's because we can then scribe over the top of your writing if you've missed any mistakes. And that way, when it comes to publishing, you guys will be all ready to go. And I've just included this little checklist that you might like to use when you're working through editing and revising today.